Looking to connect Sage Intacct with the rest of your tech stack without manual work or messy imports? Meet DataBlend, the integration platform built for finance. With pre-built connectors and powerful automation, DataBlend makes it easy to move data in and out of Sage Intacct, securely, reliably, and on your schedule. Whether you're syncing budgets from planning tools, pushing journal entries, or pulling real-time data into reports, DataBlend helps you get more from Sage Intacct faster. In this example, see how easy it is to upload checking account reconciliation files from a simple CSV into Sage Intacct using DataBlend.
And what I'm going to do inside of DataBlend is go to the SFTP upload section and just drag and drop my file and upload it in here, so that the file is now in the DataBlend SFTP site. And then the next step is to run a workflow that's set up right here, Sage Intacct checking account reconciliation, which is going to collect that bank file, pull it into DataBlend, store it as a data schema, and then we're going to transform that data. We're just going to match up the column names and everything so it's in the right format for Sage Intacct, and then it's going to send it into the checking account reconciliation via API. So I'm just going to run this workflow, and it should run through the whole process here, 2 steps. Shouldn't take too long. It's already on the second step, which we can just view the percentage that it's complete. And there we go, it's done. So now if I go into Sage Intacct and we look at our checking accounts, I did load this to our SunTrust bank account here. If we click on reconcile, we can see there is our $1,500 statement ending balance with the ending date of 5/31, and this can now be reconciled.
Also introducing PopDoc.
PopDoc at its core is an end-user-driven ad hoc query tool that empowers users to easily ask questions of their data. Inside of the PopDoc web application, the starting point for PopDoc is setting up connectors. We set up a connector for any system that we want to query data from. With over 60 out-of-the-box connectors today, we can access data from a whole host of applications like Sage Intacct, CRM systems, help desk solutions, online store platforms, and ultimately any application that has a REST API. Once we have established connection to an application, we have lists available, which are your views of your data. So let's start by opening up one of those. I'm going to navigate into the web application here and select this purchasing transactions list, which is showing me live Sage Intacct data. Anytime that PopDoc queries a list, this data is always in real time. We're going into the source to grab the updated data at the time of the request. Now within this interface, we give you a whole host of functionality to easily interact and work with the data. You can do things like grab additional columns. As you can see, they get added to the end here. I also have the ability to remove columns if necessary. Everything inside of this interface is all drag and drop. So if I want due date at the front of my list, I can drag it on over. I can do things like group my columns. So if I wanted to group my purchase transactions by contact name, not only can I group, but I can also apply multiple levels of those groupings. So if I want to do a group by contact name and subgroup by state, I have the ability to do so. The interface also allows you to apply filters to your list. With PopDoc, you can have as many filters as you like, so you can very easily ask questions of your data. You can also do things like export out to Excel if you have people that prefer working there, and we can also make any of these lists a multi-company list in the event that you're running multiple companies within your application. Not only can we show data coming from this list, but we can also start combining it with other lists as well. You'll notice at the bottom here I have this lines caret where if I select it and then select one of the transactions within my main list, what will return are the lines that are tied to whatever document ID that I've selected. This is one way that we can combine data, but we can also combine data with custom list capability. We have the ability to join together objects from our Sage Intacct environment, and we can also do other things combining data across applications as well.
No more bottlenecks, no more workarounds, just clean, connected data where you need it most.